Excuse me, girls. Can I talk to you for a minute? I'm a photographer. Can I take some of your photos? It's for Instagram purpose. Yeah, come, please come. Yeah, you can also check out my profile if you want. It's Anil Clicks DM in Instagram. You can just have a look at it. I'm just a newbie over here, so just starting. This is what I do. Yeah, yeah, please. I know it's very crowded over here, but still, just focus on me. Ignore the public. Don't get shy. My God, what a crowd! I've taken some 30 photos over here. It's currently loading over here, so I'll just show you. You guys have Instagram account, right? Is it public or private? You guys are public or private?
Private.
You're all private. You're public. Yeah, you look confident. You guys look shy a bit. It's okay. I'm a friend. Just treat me like that.
Can you take one more for a bio?
Yeah, I'll take it the last because it's very crowded over here. I don't know where to stand also. Okay, you guys know Malayalam or Tamil? Malayalam. You don't know Tamil? Okay. A little bit. எனக்கு தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும் மலையாளம் தெரியாது. My name is Anit. What's your name? Huh?
Ajina.
Ajina. Okay. Hi Ajina. Where are you from?
Kerala.
Kerala. Okay, according to you, what is famous in Kerala? People are famous over there. Okay, so how long has been that you're in Bangalore?
2 years.
2 years. Okay, what do you do for a living?
I am still studying.
You're studying.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you studying?
BSc nursing. BSc nursing.
BSc nursing. Okay, what do you want to become in future? Any ambitions you have?
Just a nurse, a good nurse.
Okay. You want to do that?
Yeah.
I wish you all the best for that. Do you have a favorite actor of yours? Who's your favorite actor?
Actor.
Yeah, actor or actress, anyone.
Actor Siddharth Malhotra.
Siddharth Malhotra. Okay, student of the year, right? Student of the year. Shershaah. Okay, that's your favorite movie. Yeah, Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra met over there and they married. So he's a favorite actor. And Shershaah is your favorite movie. Okay, which is the favorite song?
Ranjha.
Huh?
Ranjha.
Lanza.
Ranjha.
Okay, Ranjana. That is okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. Just stand the way you are. I'll show you how you are. Then you can adjust yourselves. Okay. I know it's very crowded over here, but still, just focus on me. Ignore the public. Don't get shy. Yeah, guys, stand. My God, what a crowd! I've taken some 30 photos over here. It's currently loading over here, so I'll just show you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry for the crowd. If you want to adjust something, you can adjust. We'll go solo, okay? One by one, we'll do. You guys have Instagram account, right? Is it public or private? You guys are public or private?
Private.
You're all private. You're public. Yeah, you look confident. You guys look shy a bit. It's okay. I'm a friend. Just treat me like that. Yeah, stand. If you want to adjust something from here.
Can you take one more click?
Yeah, I'll take. I don't know where. Yeah, you adjust it yourself. Yeah, please. One by one, we'll do.
Can you take one more for a bio?
Yeah, I'll take it the last because it's very crowded over here. I don't know where to stand also. Yeah, solo we can do, right? So sorry guys, so sorry. Ready, be ready. I've taken 30 photos of yours. We'll see the photos. It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
We'll do one more, okay?
Okay.
See here, there, me, that's it. There, me, okay? Some 30 to 40 photos. We'll see the photos, okay?
Yeah, this one.
This was good.
Yeah.
I'll send you the photos, Instagram. You can choose anything you want, okay? It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
We'll do one very quick, okay? Just walk towards the camera. I'll make a slow motion of yours. It'll be a video, like, walk like Kiran Advani from Shershaah. Just walk like her, okay? Yeah, please. Okay. That was good, actually. A simple video. If you see my profile now, I'll turn this into slow motion video. So, simple walk of yours. It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
You want to do one more?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, yeah, please. Anyone.
Sell it. Sell it.
Wango. Okay, you guys know Malayalam or Tamil? Malayalam. You don't know Tamil. Okay. Little bit. எனக்கு தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும் மலையாளம் தெரியாது. It's okay. Yeah, please come on. Anyone. Like the photos, the videos also, has come something like this. You can also check out my profile for this. Okay, this will be very good. Yeah, okay. Group photo எடுக்கலாமா? நான் ரொம்ப crowd இல்ல. இது lens ரொம்ப zoom. நான் ரொம்ப பின்னாடி போணும். Yeah, okay. Stand. Yeah, ready. Thank you, sir. Some here from here. I'm gonna choose any, one photo which is in which everyone are looking good. Okay. So anyone send me hi in my Instagram account.